I bring flowers for my mom.
Thank you. So Owen give this flower, and Omar give this another flower. Thank you. My handsome two baby boy. Okay, Owen. So what we have for today, guys? So we have the Persian.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's a Persian Avenue shawarma. You like to eat shawarma, Omar?
Open.
We're gonna open it first. Oops. Oh.
Open.
Omar wanna try it? Wait lang slowly, anak.
Open. This.
You bite it first. Have this one. I think mas masarap to kapag may cheese. Mas masarap siya. Or may a little bit of spicy. Ito may spicy yung isa. Mas masarap yung spicy. Ang flower na hulog. So, open na po ang ating Mendy's Sweet Shop sa Purok 2, San Vicente, Santo Tomas. Visit po kayo para makita niyo yung mga product natin. So, we have adobo cat, chicken adobo cat, pork belly adobo cat. Please don't forget to follow our page, Mendy's Sweet Shop, para lagi po kayong updated sa ating mga products and prices po. Mas masarap to kapag spicy. So, ito yung kay Dad. Try natin. May spicy. So, pasyal po kayo sa Mendy's Sweet Shop, San Vicente. So, tabi lang po ito ng Remy Store. Masarap yung spicy sauce.